Hi, Pam Connor. Thanks for watching. I was thinking about just describing a little bit of how hard it's been for me to start making these videos and what got me to do it. I just finally figured out that even though I knew this, knowing it and doing it are two different things. And that is just changing something. If you want something different, I've had a career in healthcare for almost 30 years, and it's been good. I really wouldn't have much to complain about. It's been a great living, but now I'm feeling aged out of the market, and I'm not the most clinical person on paper anymore. There's the youngest, I'm just not the latest and the greatest anymore, even though I have so much experience. That's not always the thing anymore. And then COVID didn't make it any better. So I got to this point where I was actually able to make myself do a video when I know I'm terrible at it and I've never done anything like this before. But I finally realized that I'm going to have to do something different to get something different, which means I really have to do it and not just know that. So I just wanted to reach out to anyone that's having a struggle making themselves do this. It's just like anything. It does get easier. I don't know about thinking it's good, but I keep thinking practice will always make you better at everything. So I'm going with that, and I'm going to fake it until I make it. This is Pam Connor. Thanks for watching.